Cartoon row in Parliament. No, don't look at me. I'm not the cartoon. It's another story. News broke on Friday that parliamentarians, what a lovely name for people who don't work, were up in arms over a cartoon that featured in an NCERT textbook. Now, opposition members rushed to the House, holding posters of this 63-year-old cartoon demanding the resignation of Kapil Sibal. The government has subsequently banned the textbook. Why the textbook? Well, I think all cartoonists should be banned completely. In our society, there's no place for political cartoonists. We don't need them. Why do we need cartoonists to caricature politicians to make us laugh? They can do it very well themselves. The question, however, is, what has happened to the nation? The parliament is scared of cartoons while the government curbs our freedom of expression. In fact, I believe the government has appointed a new GOM which is going to deal exactly with this situation. Joining us now is the head of the group of ministers, GOM that is, of the NCP, not head of Sharad Pawar's NCP, head of NCP that is, head of National Cartooning Policy. Sir, welcome. You are the newly appointed head of the newly appointed group of ministers, GOM, of the National Cartooning Policy, NCP.
Of course, yes. And you better be careful because government may be planning to start a whole ministry for all this.
A whole ministry for what?
Ministry for cartooning, lampooning and humor affairs.
You must be out of your mind.
And you might be out of your job.
In this case, you're very sane. So what you're saying, sir, is that the government will now get involved with censoring, assessing, deciding on issues related to humor.
Absolutely correct. And I may become minister with cabinet rank in this very ministry.
Okay, so you are going to now decide on cartoons and humor in the country, you?
In short, yes.
And there will be a list of what is allowed, I presume, and what is not allowed?
Of course. I am just at this very moment formulating the do's and don'ts for this committee. In fact, I have received just now one cartoon which I am asking for changes in.
Which cartoon?
Have a look.
Oh my God, I don't think we should show that. That shows Mamta whipping Sonia.
I have suggested some minor changes in this cartoon.
What changes?
Have a look.
Oh, Sonia whipping Mamta.
Which is permissible and allowed.
Yes. Keep this a little longer. Keep this a little longer. Yes.
Have a look at another cartoon.
This depicts me.
I have asked for some changes to better the cartoon. Have a look.
This shows all the politicians whipping me.
Yes, I have personally supervised this cartoon of you.
Always the soft target. Always the... Kunal, I'll read